Hey, this is Jen Boyd, and in this video, I'll be sharing what Feng Shui is, how it works, and basically demystifying these principles that are thousands of years old so that you can understand the real benefits of applying these principles to your home and to any space. And I realize Feng Shui sounds like an ancient mystical secret, but it's really just understanding what is in your space and how it affects you. And it's more simple than you think. And when the principles are applied to your home environment, you can drastically enhance the quality of your life, including your prosperity, your relationships, and your well-being. So think about it like this. Where is the one place where all of life happens? Well, it's your home. So doesn't it make sense to ensure that the energy in your home is flowing and positive and providing the most supportive energy possible? So whether you are moving into a new home, creating a design plan, or want to improve the flow of energy in your life, these principles can help you achieve that and also put a real focus on your own personal energy. And that's what Feng Shui is all about. Plus, Feng Shui helps you understand how key aspects of your life are represented within your space so that you can leverage the energy in your home to best support these key areas in your life. And it's truly amazing how things in your life can improve by making friends with the energy in your home. In this video, I'll be sharing what Feng Shui is, how it works so well, and what to expect by applying these principles to your home, to a property, or to any space. Before I begin, I'd like to quickly announce that a few spots have opened up for a free one-to-one 45-minute Feng Shui discovery session. You'll want to stay till the end of the video for the announcement on this. And be sure to download your own free copy of my Feng Shui training video. This will really help you to get started with Feng Shui. And the link for the video is in the description. And with that, let's get started. So first of all, let's understand the definition of Feng Shui. Feng Shui means wind, water. And wind represents your thoughts, your feeling, and your subconscious mind. And water represents your physical environment. So as you think, you become. The idea with Feng Shui is to harness and leverage the power of your thoughts along with placing intentions into your environment to enhance the quality of your life. And we use your environment to understand what is supportive or unsupportive in your life and make changes that redirect energy in a new positive direction. Feng Shui is fun and it's powerful. So how does Feng Shui actually work? Well, there are three key aspects to what makes Feng Shui work. Number one, your intentions. So Feng Shui always begins with clearly identifying what is most important to you. Number two is the Bagua, which is the Feng Shui map that outlines the 9 key areas of life, and then we can understand how to best support these areas of our life within our environment. And we use the Bagua to identify where and what to place or what to move and change within your space and how to support your intentions. And number 3, we use the 5 elements. So there are 5 elements in nature: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. And a balanced environment has all 5 elements. So we use these holistic elements to harmonize and fine-tune the space around what you personally need to feel your best. So you can create a design plan and you can optimize the energy flow in your home, which then reflects in your life. So why does Feng Shui work? Well, Feng Shui is a system and it's based on the natural flow of life that creates and enhances the energy in your home, which then enhances the quality of your life. And the framework of Feng Shui principles takes the guesswork out of where to place your belongings, your furniture, your artwork, and even color selection. That ensures a space that feels in the flow. Plus, Feng Shui works with your subconscious mind, along with your physical environment, to create a positive change within your life. So what can you look forward to experiencing with Feng Shui? You can create a home that feels comfortable, safe, and peaceful. You can design a space where your friends and family feel welcome and enjoy spending time. You can invite new opportunities and flow to your life. You can transform key areas of your life by understanding how to leverage the energy in your environment to support your intentions, whether it's your career, relationships, prosperity, health, family, creativity, travel, even personal development, and more. You can establish a beautiful and harmonious energy in your home. You can take the guesswork out of where to place your furniture, artwork, and belongings. Feng Shui also helps you empower your interior design decisions and what you communicate with your interior designer. You can also support your own personal energy and create a space around what you need to feel your best and how to live in balance. And most importantly, Feng Shui helps you live intentionally and holistically. And with that, I conclude this video. I sincerely hope this video was helpful. If you are new to my channel, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the little bell over there so that you'll be notified when I post a new video weekly. And also be sure to leave me a comment or a question below and let me know what you thought of this video, or if you have an idea for an upcoming video. I read all of the comments personally, so I really love your feedback. And I'm very excited to announce that a few spots have opened up for a free one-to-one Feng Shui discovery session with me. These calls are designed to diagnose what's happening with the energy in your home and to begin to create a plan for opening up the blocked energy in your space. And we'll also see if the Harmony Blueprint Feng Shui program will work for you. So click the link in the description, fill out a short survey, and you'll be taken to a page where you can schedule a time to chat with me about your home. And let's see how I can help you optimize the energy in your home and your life. So the Harmony Blueprint Feng Shui program helps you create a new flow of energy in your home and your life, and it improves your prosperity, your relationships, and your well-being. Create mental clarity and consistency of your own personal energy. And learn a framework that takes the guesswork out of where to place your furniture, your artwork, and belongings with holistic elements for success. And you can also open up those energy blocks and really move life forward. And we typically work with people who are ready to experience positive change in their life. So this could be a homeowner who may be moving into or building or renovating their new home, as well as Feng Shui enthusiasts. Maybe you've been interested in Feng Shui for a long time. It could also be entrepreneurs who work from home and really want to dial in their space for prosperity. And it's also for individuals who are on the precipice of change and really seek a system to facilitate a new direction in life. You know, when you make changes to your home, it's sometimes hard to see the space for yourself. And our program combines a self-paced education along with lifetime access of ongoing one-to-one support to ensure that you create a home that you love now and into the future. So be sure to sign up for your free one-to-one Feng Shui discovery session in the description. I'd love to meet with you. And my free Facebook group is open, so be sure to click on that link in the description as well. It's a great community that is growing by leaps and bounds every day, and it's a really fun and valuable way to interact with me on a personal level. So until next time, stay in the flow and remember the answers are always right in front of you.